What's up to all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today is another video vlog that we will give you for a coverage from Building Vlogs. Na last time pumunta tayo sa Manila, sa Diamond Manila, in Manila City. We explore the great building of Hotel and Leisure with my family and with your Ninong to virtual attendance. At ngayon naman, meron tayong madidiscover also production from Building Vlogs at meron din tayo dito from Food Vlogs and Dynasty Production of Sports and Nature Vlogs. And the title of our vlog for today is The NTV President and Managers Tagaytay and China Tours. Wow! Teka. So last time, di ba, pumunta tayo sa Diamond Manila. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo ng Tagaytay and China. Wow! How it can happen? Eh, nasa Philippines ang Ninong. And still working and doing some of the matters, no? Pero syempre meron tayong gagawing virtual attendance kagaya ng nagawa natin last time dito sa Diamond Manila, di ba? Na tayo ay nag-explore, to discover their business, to discover their food trip and the way how they serve for the people, di ba? Ang layunin naman natin, serve for the people and the economy. So ngayon naman po, meron tayo dito makakasamang manager kasi ako ang yung aliping serbat, di ba, ng ating Ninong TV. Meron naman tayong manager, di ba? So this will be our new manager of NTV Vlog at isa rin sa mga bagong talent natin. He will be Zion Tan, na bago nating member sa ating Ninong TV Vlog. So, makakasama natin siya dito to emphasize and to give the production what's all about here in Tagaytay and China, at isa rin siya sa mga nangasiwa at nag-edit ng ating mga programa. Alright. So, first of all, what's all about Tagaytay? Na part ng ating education, makaka-discover tayo dito ng mga nature, food trip, and buildings. It is renowned for its breathtaking views of Taal Lake and Taal Volcano, one of the world's smallest but most captivating volcanoes, with tea gardens, strawberry farms, and scenic cafe. So dito sa Tagaytay, madidiscover natin yung mga food trip, yung mga kapihan, and of course natural resources as well. So me and Zion Tan went to Tagaytay. Ako, syempre virtual, and si Zion through the face-to-face para i-cover sa inyo at dalhin dito sa Ninong TV Vlogs yung ating travel in Tagaytay. So you will check it out.
Hello, what's up to all of you? I'm Zion, and this is our Tagaytay tours. This morning we went with the family and some friends. Of course, we see the great beauty of the nature. Here at Tagaytay, we feel the Lord's creations of natural resources. Thanks be to God for this wonderful experience.
Every mile feels lighter with you. Colors brighter, sky so blue.
With nice food trips. We also do a virtual meeting with Kuya Denver, and we feel this great opportunity. To bond while he's on virtual, I also share my contents.
Dito na po ang Ninong nyo sa Tagaytay with my friends. The city of Christmas tree. Ayan, pine trees. Let's go. Makain muna kami.
Coach, bili na kayo.
Every turn's a brand new
Sardines.
melody. Hand in hand,
Saan tayo pa?
looks new. Nothing's better than this ride with you. On this road with you, I feel so free. Every turn's a brand new melody. Hand in hand, the world looks new. Nothing's better than this ride with you.
Okay, just discover about Tagaytay. So, this is also a good vlog production that we are promoting para sa ating mga foreign, 'di ba? Tourists, 'di ba? We are helping to grow yung ating tourist department bilang kaliitan sa ating NTV. Maging simpleng instrument tayo na ma-promote yung ating very own. Diba? Love the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. Diba? Lalong-lalo na sa ating mga foreign industries, we are helping and encouraging more yung ating mga dear people na ma-discover yung ganda ng ating Pilipinas. Diba? Now, after that, and just discover my 2025 trip. Ngayon naman, meron tayo sa China. So after natin mag-Pilipinas, magsa-China naman tayo. Lalanding ang ninong nyo, together with Zion, sa naging virtual pagtalakay, anong meron ka sa China? O first time, ang ninong nyo nagiging international na. But I just wanna share na meron din naman tayo sa Japan, di ba? But that's also a part of a simulator, pero hindi pa literal na Japan. So, what's all about China na ating madidiscover? A vast East Asian country with a rich history and significant influence on global affairs, bunch of kingdoms and middle country, and business places. Oo nga naman, yung business place yung China. Alam niyo naman mga Chinoy, di ba? Mga in-check, very hardworking sa business. So, example, punta kay SM, di ba? Si Tito Henry yon. Yon. So, pupunta tayo sa China for the first time. That luckily, your ninong got experience in China, and my vlog manager, Zion Tan, gave me a special tour sa kanilang China production. So, you will check it out on the next vlog.
I was a ghost, I was alone. 두어진 길 속에, given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I meant.
This is my experience through virtual, and I'm happy to Zion. He made me a video blog exploring his China tours in real life while I'm doing the online and discovering the great ambiances, food trips, the buildings. Wow! Sa Mukhawa OFW. Oh, may nakita akong Uniqlo doon. That's also been part of your Tito Henry's business. Wow! Okay, so this is a food trip with Zion's capturing it and showing me his food trip, and even give me a pre-taste of those, diba? Ayan, parang nilagang baboy ito, wow, pang China. Ayan ang kanyang daddy, and then Zion doing this day for me. Wow, thank you, talagang pinapatikim sa atin ng a great China food trips that he had. Ayan. So, chicken. Wow. Cafe. Ito ay parang kanilang signature chicken afritada or a pork, no? A tofu ba ito? Wow. Okay. Buto na ang natira. Ayan, mag-hotel kami. He gave me a tour on their hotel trip. Wow. That's so nice and fantastic. Now, this is me and Zion on his China tours on their home. I got a virtual on the China while he's in China. And we have a mini tour on his home. And still, part of discovering the China cultures a while ago is to see the food trip and the transportation people live in that particular place in the China. So thank you, Zion, for this wonderful experience that you show me from Tagaytay up to China. You give me the joy and the virtual tour. I totally feel the China. Thank you so much, Zion, and the family, and God bless.
I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came so far now. I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Up, up, up with our voices. Going to get you so on there. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding now, be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Going to get you so on there. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. You know we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be born to be glowing like every night. You know that it's our time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. But now that's how I'm getting paid. Could I see on stage? I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came so far now. I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Going to get you so on there. Gonna be golden.
thank you for watching and God bless all pa. Sa dito po natatapos sa ating simpleng video vlog na The NTV President and Managers Tagaytay and China Tours. So this is another production from Building Vlogs, and we also have a production from Food Vlogs and Dynasty Food Vlogs kasi nakita natin mga tropang Dynasty, and of course yung ating nature vlogs na sa mga bagong vlog department natin, because of course hindi naman natin to maitatanggi. If we are traveling, we are discovering the God's creation, yung ating mga puno, yung mga halaman, yung mga natural resources na meron doon. So yun naman yung magandang i-promote natin sa ating mga manonood. And even in OFW, after you encouraging sa aking vlog department, meron din tayo ninong sa Laguna, ninong sa Japan. Meron naman tayo dito, Tagaytay and China, o Philippines muna and then China. Pagkakataon itong China at Pilipinas ay best friends. Diba? Hindi nag-aaway. Dapat best friends. Diba? Nagbibigayan. Okay, so that's the one, and thank you and subscribe my channel and watch more on our Ninong TV production, and you may download and buy this video vlog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record. So contact nyo lang ako, PM Ninong, on how to avail. So thank you very much, and I hope you learned something today. God bless all of us. Thank you. At bago tayo mag-end, because we are doing the building vlogs, no matter how tall the building, do not check because it's bad, according to the law of 1844. Thank you, thank you.